Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add a number on your iCloud account from your iPhone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to add a number on your iCloud account, let's first open up the settings app. You can see the settings, and after opening your settings, you can see your name or your primary account on the top of your screen. Tap over your account, and after opening your account, you can see the name and security, which is the second one just below the name, phone number and email. Tap on password and security like this, and let's let the page load. And after that, you can see your number over here, which is your primary number. And to add a number on your iCloud, you can see the edit option available at the right side of the numbers. Tap on edit, and after that, you can see to add a phone number, you will be required to tap on add a trusted phone number like this, and your iPhone will ask you for your passcode. Enter your passcode. For me, it will be this one. And after that, enter your number, which one do you want to add to your iCloud. Tap on send on the top right and click on done, and a verification code will be sent to you on your phone number. Let's wait for the verification code to arrive, and there it is. And now you can see another number has been added on my iCloud. And there guys, this is how you add a number on your iCloud. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.